What's the meaning of American College Test? American College Test. American College Test. American College Test. American College Test. American College Test.
The American College Test, ACT, is a standardized test used in the United States to assess high school students' readiness for college. It measures English, mathematics, reading, and science skills and is scored on a scale of 1 to 36. The composite score is the average of the 4 subject area scores. A higher ACT score can improve a student's chances of getting accepted into their desired college or university, as well as potentially increasing their eligibility for scholarships. Many colleges and universities require ACT scores as part of their application process.